Welcome back, and now I'm going to outline the hair still with this thing on predictive stroke. So just in case if I need to change the hair, just gonna put it in another layer just in case. Here. So now the customer said she wanted it to cover one of her eyes, so I guess I'm gonna kind of do an anime-ish style. Wait, I'm gonna make that line a bit thicker. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna do the bangs. You know what? I actually forgot that there's supposed to be a walkthrough on how I make PFPS, so I'm just gonna keep this on, even if it takes up space. So yeah, I'm just going to make a new layer for some reason, because I just gonna make sure I have everything under control. So I guess that looks nice. I love making hairstyles. It's really nice. Also, in case if you want to, you want this layer to go with this layer, use your common sense. And there's the merge and merge all. Merge all basically, merges all, which is not what happened. That's not what I want, because that sketch layer is still there. So I'll just undo that and just merge this with the one in the bottom. As you can see, there's a down button here, so it merges with the one in the bottom. So if you can see here, let's see, I want to merge this with up there. But if you do merge, it'll merge with the layer down here in the bottom. So undo that, and then merge here from the top here to the bottom. Anyway, continuing with the hair, I'm just going to have fun with it, and yeah, elfish style. She wanted a sort of wavy hair up to shoulder length, so I guess that's what I'll do. I'm gonna make it kinda curly, I suppose. Curly hair is nice. It's not too curly, of course, but just a nice amount of curl. And I like putting those spiky things on the top for aesthetics. Wait, I kinda ruined that. Wah. And I was putting mini strands flying off. I know that anime hair is usually groups of hair, but I like adding mini strands. So see, I'll put a mini strand there. I'll put some lines here, and now I'm happy with the hair. So yeah.